Okay, here we have Bertie the bus, and this model was sent by a subscriber. I totally forgot the city, but it's from UK. So he said something about the model is not working, and as we can see here, there is some battery corrosion and the battery terminals. So let's do a little test. It's not working. I hope we can do something with the cleaning. I want to try first my 5 volts current here from the USB port, and nothing seems to work. So definitely we gotta disassemble this model, so it's gonna take me a little bit of time. I hope it's not so long. But anyways, in this tutorial I hope you learned something today that will be very useful for you guys in the near future, how to fix and repair these little models. These gear sets on the inside of these chassis are almost the same with Bolgi. Let me see which other models are. Elizabeth, and so on. Okay, so there is corrosion on the electric motor. Yeah, let me see. Oh, look at that, it just came off. So the motor is not working. Definitely we gotta replace the electric motor, and we are going to do this very gentle. I don't want to open the entire gearbox, otherwise all the gears I'm gonna have a little problem to assemble. So this is the easy way for you guys to fix it. So let's try to do another test directly into the electric motor. Nothing. So anyways, we gotta change it. Okay, so now let's remove it. Definitely not working. Okay, so here we have a replacement electric motor right there, and I'm going to do the solder. Let me check first. Did you hear it? It's working. Okay, now let's remove the top of this model, so we can clean this with white vinegar to get rid of the corrosion. So here's what I used to do. Just try to brush a little bit. If there is a lot of buildup of corrosion, then you gotta keep working on this, keep cleaning. So you might hear the chemical reaction making some bubbles. Hear that? Yeah, that's the white vinegar working. This is a very safe I want to see kind of acid that works fine with these battery corrosions. So there it is, trying to get it clean. Okay, now we can continue with the soldering. I'm gonna put a little bit of solder with flux in the electric motor first. If you guys are doing this, please be very careful. Now take a look how I'm doing this. The positive goes on the right side, as the electric motor is pointing backwards. So there we have the positive first. I'm gonna do a little test, see if it works. Yes, it's working. That's a good sign. Now let's put it back inside. Very careful. That will be very easy for you. Otherwise you're gonna have a lot of problem, a big headache. Now we have our battery terminals clean, and we are about to solder the negative wire to the negative terminal right here, so I'm gonna add a little bit of solder with flux, so that way it will be easier for me to put the wire back to the terminal. So again, please be very careful. I don't want you to burn your fingers. Somebody the other day told me that he burned his fingers, so be very careful. Ask your parent to do it for you. Okay, so now let's put this screw. This is the one with the little flange. Is it flange? I think it's flange. Flanged screw. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of grease here and there, so that way it will spread when the electric motor is working, running. Let's do another test here, see if it works. And it's working. Very nice. So we got it moving, guys. It's working. Excellent. Okay, let's continue. Gotta put the also, before you put the screws, please make sure you are not pinching or crushing one of these wires, because they might come on your way while you are screwing back this part, the top part, putting the screws back. It happens sometimes, so then it you might cut the wires inside. So I'm trying to do my best to tell you what's going on. I'm not really good at English, but thank you for understanding. So anyways, we are done definitely with this model. Now the chassis, I mean the shell, I call it shell, of Bertie, it's being washed with soap, water and soap, and here it is, clean. So we just put this back together and do a little test. There you go. I also added a little bit of white grease on the wheels. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments. So I just add a little bit, I just replaced the electric motor and add a little bit of grease, clean the battery compartments, and that's it. Bye.